Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to learn about PMI-CPMAI Phase II data understanding. This is where AI moves from idea to reality. Quick disclaimer, the content is based on PMI-CPMAI and is for educational purposes only. For official guidance, refer to PMI resources. Now, strong AI starts with strong data. Phase 1 asks, should we use AI? Phase 2 asks, something more important, can it actually work? In AI, data is not just input, it is the raw material that creates intelligence. If your data is weak, your AI will be limited. Here's where the most teams struggle. Data may not exist, it may be poor quality, it may not represent reality, or it may already be outdated. Each of these breaks AI in a different way. Phase 2 forces us to answer four questions. Do we have the right data? Can we access it? Is the quality good enough? And do we understand its limit and bias? You cannot fix data later. AI doesn't correct it, it amplifies it. Your data also depends on the AI pattern you selected. Different patterns need different types of data, different quality, and that's where it comes with different risks, I would say. There is also where trustworthy AI begins at the data level. You must check, is the data ethically sourced, is it biased, does it meet privacy and governance rules, and can it support transparency? Phase 2 is not a one time activity. You prepare for continuous improvement, version your data, monitor quality, and plan to bring in new data over time. Before moving forward, you need clarity. Do we have the data? Can we access it? Is it usable? Are risks understood? And does it fit our AI pattern? To manage data properly, you also need to understand the four V. This brings us to four V's for the big data. Okay. Volume, variety, velocity, and veracity. So, volume, how much data you have and where it is stored. Variety, the different formats of data, structured, unstructured, text, images, or video. Velocity, how fast the data is generated and needs to be processed, real time or batch. Veracity, how reliable and trustworthy your data is. These four factors define how complex your data really is and how difficult your AI project will be. So this is very crucial part of uh, building AI. Strong AI is not built on models. Remember, it's built on data. That brings us to a quiz. Okay, a team is evaluating data readiness in phase two. Which of the following should be assessed before moving forward? Select all that apply. So think through and drop in your answer in the comment.